Good day, everyone. My name is Dave Partner, and this is an answer to a question that somebody posted to me on Twitter. And you should always go to my Twitter handle at Dave Ozalo. It will be written at the bottom of this video, and ask me any tech questions that you wish to ask. Now, this one is: how can I get a tech job or programming job without really knowing how to code? All right. Of course, there's a way to do it. There's a way you can get a tech job and work full time as a tech person or a programming person without actually knowing how to code. Um, One of the ways is to know how to build WordPress websites. You can build websites without knowing how to code. All right, very advanced website and very pretty looking website. In fact, if you look at a WordPress website just by looking at it, sometimes there is really no way to know whether it was done with WordPress. You understand? In 2005, 2006, a young man called Matt Mutenweg decided to build a way for people to create their own blogs and their own websites without having to know how to code. So he built it, and it scaled, and everybody started using it. A whole lot of people started using it, and that's what people use today. And there's so many extensions and plugins for it. So WordPress is basically you click, and then you install, and all of a sudden your client has a website already. A WordPress is basically a software, a website that somebody has already designed, and it's 100% free and open source, which means you can get it, or you can go online, visit their website, click, and set up your own WordPress blog, and then enter the name you want to have as a domain, which is basically, for instance, me, if I was going to create my own WordPress, I could create dave.com, or initially it would be dave.wordpress.com. Then you can pay some $10-15 to buy a domain name. The full domain name becomes dave.com. So when you have dave.com, you click install, and then it sets up a WordPress, an already existing website for you with admin panel and everything. Then you go to the admin panel, choose the design of the website you want it to be, the design on that design. There are so many designs that you can get and code there. So you click on them, and then you set it up, and then you collect the texts and whatever pictures your client has for you, and then you upload them into the website, and your client's website is complete. It's so simple that anybody that does it, as long as you know how to use a computer at all, if you start learning WordPress today, in 7 days, you should be able to have learned WordPress, how to use WordPress. Of course, you need to know how to learn the other course, take a course on hosting, web hosting. You need to understand cPanel. So I think, from my estimate, that should take you like 3 days. If you're serious, in a day, if you sit down like this in a day, within 4 to 8 hours, you would have understood everything about cPanel. So within within a week or 2 weeks, you should be able to start building websites for clients. All right. So then you can gradually, with the money you raise, start learning core programming. And somebody would ask me, why would I have to still learn programming if I can actually build websites without knowing how to code? There are many reasons why you should learn programming. Not all WordPress cannot handle all types of websites. For instance, if somebody comes to you and says, I need a corporate presence website for my business, which means I just need to put my business online. Yes, you can use WordPress to do that. Then you charge the person, then you build the WordPress. You can build WordPress sites. I know friends that build WordPress sites for a living. They are programmers, but they major on WordPress sites, and they deliver in 1 day. So client sends requirements, and within 24 hours, they send back the results. So when that kind of website comes up, you can build it with WordPress. Some people come around, I need a website to sell my clothes and shoes and stuff like that. Yeah, you can set it up with WordPress quickly. Just add an e-commerce plugin, and then you have your complete WordPress site ready in 24 hours. But then sometimes somebody might come with some complex custom requirements that they need a school management website where the teachers will be able to sell courses online and blah blah blah. That's not the kind of thing you do with WordPress. So that's when you really have to get down and start coding and build the thing from scratch. You understand? So, and such websites cost significantly more and take longer time. Instead of the usual 24 hours to 1 week that a WordPress site will take you, such a website might take you 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years to actually put in place. And not just one person, you can take more than 3, 4, 5 people to get that kind of site up. So once you grab how to learn how to build WordPress sites, you need to quickly move on and start learning programming. This is technology age. Everybody should know how to write a program. You understand? Everybody should know how to code. Now there are some tutorials on my on this channel. First of all, you need to subscribe to this channel. There's a red subscribe button if you're watching directly from YouTube. If you're not watching from YouTube, there is a link below this video. Just click on it, takes you to my YouTube channel. You subscribe, then you have access to all my videos, and you'll be alerted when next I make a new video. So when you get to my channel, you can see a tutorial on blogging. You can take it. It gives you basics of WordPress and all other types of blogs and the concept behind it. So check out my playlist on blogging and quickly bring yourself up to date with that. It should take you like 1 or 2 hours, and then you're done with that. You will now have a better understanding of what building a blog is and how they relate and everything. And then you need to take a course on WordPress, which I'm currently making. And once you grab that, you'll start building your WordPress sites. The next thing is you need to start learning actual programming. Still on my channel, you will see a HTML tutorial, you see CSS tutorials, you see Bootstrap tutorials. You take them in that order. Take the HTML. Everybody that wants to know how to build a website must know HTML. Is the basics. So you pick it up and start learning it. Within 3 days to 1 week, you've learned HTML. Then you move to CSS, then you move to Bootstrap, and so on and so forth. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. I want you to share this video to anybody you know that needs to change career from whatever they want to into tech, and let them know that this is the secret. They should learn how to build WordPress sites, and they should subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. If you have any question, ask me go to Twitter and tweet at me at Dave Ozalo, and I will respond. Apart from Twitter, you can ask directly in the comments on this video. Just post in the comments, and there are links under this video where you can get to my Facebook, and I respond to Facebook messages faster than anything. So get to my page on Facebook, like the page, and send a message. You're getting an instant response. Alright, so thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thanks. Peace out.